Very expensive, but let me know in the comments what you pay. Next one, my at the time girlfriend, now wife, rented a townhouse with friends in a community that had an HOA. There was a parking reserved for guests of the tenants. Hello my wonderful, beautiful friends. Welcome back to an episode where people say they know the owner when they don't. And the stories are super cringy and embarrassing. Guys, I know it's been a while since I've done an episode like this, and today I got some lovely stories for you where people lie to employees, to their face, to try to get what they want. It's ridiculous. Guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I've got a ton of subscriber submissions that I'm going to go through, so you don't want to miss future stories. Let's dive in. A buddy of mine's family runs a small convenience store / bait and tackle shop, and I help out every now and then since I work at a gas station. Like 98% of stores, the shop is currently operating on one toilet paper, one paper towel item per family policy. My friend's dad, the owner, told me in person that no one is allowed to buy more than one pack of toilet paper per family. No ifs, ands, or buts. Cue the scene. So, cast is me, the entitled dad, the embarrassed kid, the store owner. So, I'm waiting out the last hour of my shift where the entitled dad and the kid walk in. Decked out in fishing gear, the entitled dad grabs a pack of worms, some sodas, ice, and snacks. As he's passing by the toiletry section, he grabs 4 packages of toilet paper. I told him, I'm sorry sir, but the store policy is currently 1 per family. I call that out across the store, but the dad ignores me. He and the kid select a few more things and walk up to the counter. The kid is trying hard not to be seen, so I can tell he knows what's coming. I said, sir, unfortunately, I'm only able to sell you 1 toilet paper package right now. The dad is getting angry and says, well, why can't you sell me more? I told him due to the pandemic and shortage, our store is only allowing 1 toilet paper item per family. He says, well, there's no sign back there. I told him, yes, there is, sir. There's a sign every 6 feet around the store and at the register listing what items are being limited. He then tells me, well, I know the owner, and he says it's okay for me to buy as many as I want from here. The kid has now retreated to the door, clearly wanting to leave and to not be here. I said, you spoke to the owner. He's getting irritated now and says, yes, I did. Now, are you going to ring me up or what? I told him I have to make sure, and that the owner specifically said that you can buy however much you want it. He tells me yes. Can you please hurry it up? I want to be on the lake soon. I told him, sir, I know the store owner did not say anything to you because I'd have known about it. He accuses me of calling him a liar and that he's reporting me to the owner the next time he talks to him. I pull out my phone and said, how about now? You want to give him a call? He responded, what? I'm calling the owner and putting the phone on speaker. Let's call him right now. If he says it's okay, I'll ring you up and apologize. Before the dad can say anything, the store owner picks up and says, hey OP, what's up? I told him nothing much. I have a person here and he says you told him that he can ignore the store policy on toilet paper. The store owner on speakerphone says, may I have this person's name? The dad's face breaks out in hope, thinking he's bluffed his way through this, and he tells me his name. I repeat the name loudly so my boss can hear. And my boss on speaker says, I don't know who the hell this person is, and I have not told anyone that they can ignore the store policy. By purchasing more than 1, you are possibly depriving others that may desperately need the toilet paper. And if you're taking a dump so much that you need more than 1 package, I would seriously suggest you consult a doctor, not just buy more toilet paper. If you can't follow store policy like every other customer that's come in, you can leave. The store owner hangs up, and the dad has his mouth open in shock. While the kid is standing there looking like all the major holidays and his birthday are happening today, the dad shuts his mouth, stands in front of the register, and storms out of the store, leaving all of his items on the counter. Guys, that is something else. I really don't know why the dad even tried to pull that. As soon as Opie started dialing that phone to call the owner, I would have just said, you know what, never mind. I made that whole thing up. You know, like a person who friggin' lies. That must have been so embarrassing for the kid to watch his dad have to go through that. Oh my goodness. So, a few weeks ago, me and my friend went to a yay quarantine is lifted